Hey, coming to you with another expert leather restoration video. Uh, this is a new old stock postal bag from 1966, 51 years old. It's been festering in someone's basement. It's actually in really good shape, so to say. It's still really dry. Right now I'm actually using Dr. Jackson's Hide Rejuvenator. The first thing to actually go on these is that people will restore the hide of the bag. The most important thing that will deteriorate under stress. They'll restore the leather and it will return to supple condition, but you actually need to restore the suppleness of the seams where the pieces of hide are actually stitched together. And the way of doing this right now, obviously this is changing color, because I'm using Hide Rejuvenator. This is actually the original color of the bag. And I'm using a toothbrush, bringing it into my Hide Rejuvenator. Right now it looks like crap, but when I'm done it'll look like a piece of pure gold. All the money in the world, well, maybe all the money in the world, will buy you a bag like this for maybe $2,000. I picked this one up for basically nothing. Somebody died with this in their basement, and then some scavenger who buys estate sales bought this bag, and then I bought it off of them. You need to restore the seams, so dip your toothbrush in Dr. Jackson's Hide Rejuvenator, get in all the way to the seams, and then restore the hide. And also the way to restore it without putting excessive pressure on a bag is to stuff it full of towels. So you actually puff it out as far as you can, but not to the max, because until the seams are rejuvenated, they're slightly fragile. You've got a case of what we call dry rot. Yeah, dry rot's a problem. Yeah, right now this bag looks like crap, but it will look like an absolute gem. You actually apply this with a towel, not your hands, but you can see here, this stuff is magical. The sheen will go away as it soaks in. It will literally suck this right into the pores of the collagen that make up the bag. Actually apply it with a towel like this. So there you go. Before you restore your hide, first restore your seams. Expert leather restoration tip of the day. Since there's not another video like this on YouTube, I thought, why don't I make a video like this? And there's another bag to restore. 1966. You probably can't see it there. Anyway, it says 1966. And that is exactly what the date on it is. New old stock. Yes, I have a lot of tattoos. Yeah. That's another form of leather. Yeah. Someone will make a bag out of that someday. There we go. Thanks for watching. And goodbye. Wait a minute. I gotta end this a special way. Go. Dead animals. Dead animals. There we go. Sometimes I get people upset. Like, oh my god! That's a dead animal skin that used to belong to a living creature. Yeah, then it became a hamburger, and what was left of it became this leather bag. Get over yourself. Oh my god! Douche.